It is National Ceiling Fan Day, September 18th, 2023. On this day, we are celebrating 10 years of National Ceiling Fan Day. Now, before I begin this video, I want to clarify some things that, one, I don't put politics on the table whenever I do ceiling fan videos, and two, I just wanted to make things clear that it's not a new thing, because I've heard people saying something about the president's crackdown on ceiling fans and stuff like that. Well, let me tell you this. It's not a new thing. It has been around since 2005 when George W. Bush initiated the 2005 law that every few years they're going to put energy efficiency restrictions on ceiling fans, which is why you're seeing a lot more DC motor fans and LED lighting in the mainstream. And this is also why you see a lot of K55 type motors dying off. So that K55 type motor that Fanimation has may die in the next few years. I don't even know how long will it last. So it's not a matter of fact of if, it's a matter of fact of when. So, and we'll reiterate this again. The 2005 law was initiated by George W. Bush. That gives the instructions that every few years they're going to have to put in restrictions on energy efficiency standards on ceiling fans. Now, the purpose of National Ceiling Fan Day is to combat DOE's stances of said energy efficiency when ceiling fans have already been saving energy. Yeah, so again, reiterate, Fanimation instituted National Ceiling Fan Day on September 18th as the purpose to combat DOE stances of ceiling fans being required to be more energy efficient when ceiling fans had already been saving energy. So let's get on to this video. So we'll start off in the living room. Here's my 52-inch Hunter original in flat black, last year 2002 American made model that I got from Jack Miner for a Christmas gift for myself. So we're going to fans in my house and collection. Right here is another change. We got the 50-inch Casablanca Delta 2 from 1988. This was given to me by an Instagram follower of mine. Before I turn the fan on, I'll turn the switch on. Whoa. So anyways, I'll go ahead and begin the demonstration. First pull, 2 lights. Second pull, the other 2. Fourth pull, all 4. We'll go ahead and go in the computer room, start off the light. We'll turn this lamp off so you can see better. This dethroned the Hunter Norden, and this dethroned the Bay Lyndhurst. So now I have a house filled with high-end showroom fans. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate the fan, starting off with low, and I'm going to do it on the wall control since this fan has a big speed difference between low and medium. I just want to give a quick jump start. Something neat. Okay. I'll start off with low speed. Just turn the lamp back on. We'll start off with low. This one has a nice aesthetic low speed to it, as you see here. Very nice low speed. Nice and aesthetic. This one has a classy low on this too. I don't know why some people think that that the Samsung motors have a faster low, but I don't believe it. This is a very classy low speed on this fan, so we'll go ahead and put it in the medium. Let's do a kickstart. Put it in the medium. This one has. I'm gonna go ahead and put this fan up on medium. Sorry about the background noise. That's my brother down there. There's medium. There's medium on this fan. This one is actually have a really better medium than factory medium, which is why I'm doing this on the wall control rather than doing it with the ball chains. This one has a good medium. This one's a pretty good medium speed. And now we will kick them up to high. It's really powerful, as you can see here. Kick it up to high speed. See here, this one's actually kicking. It's kicking a serious amount of air on high speed. That's typical of Hunter originals. And here's the Delta 2, kicking a good amount of air on high speed. Tons of air on high, which is why I put up some of those showroom fans up here. Now we'll shut them off. Okay, so I'm not gonna bother with spin down, but if you want to see a full video of these fans spinning down, you can watch my full demonstration videos. So, anyways, that's all we have for the house. With the biggest change in here, now we can go ahead and go to the garage. And the fan of the day for National Ceiling Fan Day is my 52-inch Hunter Robinson Miles original from August of 1981. And this deserves to be up on my testing rig. So this is the fan of the day. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate it, starting off with low. Now I'll go ahead and put up the high. Before I do, I just want to show you the air movement on this. So yeah, we'll go up the high. Packs a punch, but not really the best air mover out of all of the originals I've tested. Well, technically the 2.0 app is the only ones I tested so far. I'm going to shut it off, and we'll head and take a tour around my collection. Alright, here are some of my stuff I have. This Westinghouse fan rated box that I got for no good reason. This is the one I was going to use to install my Hunter original, but my dad told me to leave the box up there because it's a mess and I don't want to have more laughing plaster. Well, the laughing plaster fall out, but we already have the box up there, so it has the same hole spacing, so it should be fine. But long term, I would replace the box to make it suitable for fan support. Neutron Skylar control made for 100 originals. Not the one that was stolen. This is the other one I had got for no good reason, because I thought the wall control on the wall would not handle the cap value. 4711 control, Ryan UC 9020, Spike Hitchler. Casablanca fan book, 93. 2 fan rated boxes I have for no good reason. Got the 4711 Modern Fan Code 002 controls. Labeled Ron. Old tube right here, bunch of old 400 original, and the box for the Casablanca Welia parts. So, yeah, that's all we have here. Let's go down to the basement. Here's the flower I have for no good reason. I don't know why I got it. I only got it for the voted out to 2 in case if it gets the whippage gets worse. Here's some catalogs I have. 2020 Hunter Casablanca catalog. Modern Forms 2019 catalog, or 18 I believe. Matthews Fan Company 2019. Kitchler 2020. And the Mink Air 2019. And I have some capacitors that are lying around. I don't know where it went. Oh, there it is. This one's from the Delta 2 Verde, and this one is from the 1991 Victorian. So, yeah, all these capacitors are given the death sentence, so we'll go ahead and take a tour in the garage. We'll start off here in my collection right here. We have the Spirit of Saturn, Casablanca, Lady Delta, Delta 2, California Zephyr, the 2 Venuses, Stealth, 1895 series, switch cap that was on my black original, some Brad blades. You know where to go to. We got the flywheel from the Saturn, flywheel from the Delta 2, Modern Fan Code 002 control, on original tube. I just tossed out the oil in the garbage. Blades for the Venuses. 994 white original using the first generation 2.0 amp motor. Green windings inside, copper outside. Low profile 2. Casablanca Mission. Panama. Not Casablanca, sorry. Hunter Mission. Casablanca Pam 5 down here. Modern Fan Co. Series Short using the KP5 XL type motor. Hunter Norden. Casablanca Delta 2. And what else? Here's the box for the 91 original. 5 Series Welia. Box for the Con blades. There's some crap ton of mess right here. There's the parts pile for the 5 Series Welia. I need to sell some stuff. Some parts. Fans maybe. Got the long diode from the Venus, 2 from either the Venus or the California Zephyr. This one's from the Victorian. This one's from the Stealth. Aluminum files I never really bothered around trying to get the video upload. Down here. Globe for the Stealth. And globes for M5. Robinson Meyer span. Blades. Some of my light bulbs. Trickle in. Side. Got the Harbor Breeze Armitages, Casablanca Victorian, SMC DC42 sold at Kmart. Harvey's Vector Elite. The recalled Hang True. Casablanca, sorry. Fanimation St. Clair. Excuse the noise because I opened the door up so it could be easy for me to see a bunch of stuff I have. K5L for the Casablanca Victorian. Blades to the Armitages. Just get inside. Hunter Kensington. No, Southern Breeze. SMC Kensington. There's my St. Clair blades. And Bay Lyndhurst is retiring. Glassware. Remote. Crappy remote. There's also a receiver. Two. Side are the blades for the Walia. Parts. A bunch of stuff lying around. It's a crap load of everything. Sorry for all the mess. I got a storage bin and I haven't got around to store my fans in there yet. But hopefully I will. And also there's the Robert Myers fan here. And I think that's just pretty much it. Blades for the Venuses too, if I haven't mentioned. So that's all we have today for National Ceiling Fan Day as of September 18, 2023. And we are celebrating 10 years of National Ceiling Fan Day. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, just so before I end the video, here's the addendum video. Here's the spotlight kit. In case if I forget something. There's some pile of buried parts. Like canopy, downrod, some parts for the 100 Breeze. Oh, there's some stuff I don't know why the heck are in here, so yeah. And these are hell of a lot of crap buried in there. There's so much stuff I need track of. And I think I mentioned the bearing graveyard. There's some controls lying around. I do have a spreadsheet for National Ceiling Fan Day in case if anyone wants to see my inventory. I'll link it below. It's work in progress. A bunch of switches inside, but there are a bunch of controls I have that are buried somewhere, but I'm not going to bother pulling them all out. But I would like to thank everyone here for celebrating 10 years of National Ceiling Fan Day, and we'll see you in the next one.